figure out where I'm at here. Shit, I haven't even. God dang. Give me a second here. I don't even have my stuff set up in YouTube. Oh, God. Morning, everybody. All right, let's see here what we got going on. I've been on the phone with a freaking appraiser, so I'm a little behind. It's pretty scary when the appraiser doesn't know how to read a floor plan. I'm like, what kind of stupid questions are these? It says it right on the floor plan. I'll be right back. All right, Jesus. Like I said before, Mondays are always my worst days. Now, we might have a 1-minute gold line setting up here out of the box in the NQ. That's kind of what I'm looking at right here. Oh, boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. All right, there you go. All right, there you go. That's good. Let's go. Now let's run. Let's go. Come on. Let's not think about it. Let's do it. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go to target. Come on, NQ. Be my hero for the day. There you go. Be my hero for the day. Come on, baby. Let's go. Next target, PriorDay open. Come on, baby. Shit. Come on. Come on, NQ. Come on, baby. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. ES, start moving your ass. Move. Move, ES. Damn it. Move. Ah, God, this is starting to run out of gas. Why are you running out of gas? Let's go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. What the hell? No, go. Oh, you freaking beast. Come on. I'll explain what I was looking at in a minute. Just come on. No. I'm going to let you stay. I'm going to let you stay. There you go. I'm going to let you stay. Come on. Ah, you freaking dog. Shit, man. I mean, look at this. See this right here? We broke this pivot right here. God dang it. Should have run more than that. Should have run more than that. Hands down, should have run more than that. Should have run back to the PriorDay open. Should have run back to the PriorDay open. Just absolute piece of shit. It'll probably do it now, won't you? Won't you? Are you going to do it now? Oh, shit. Sorry, Bruce. Jesus. Sorry, Bruce. Jesus. Because I'm trading it over on my other screen. Sorry, Bruce. Jesus. Sorry. 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 Well, it looked beautiful when I was in it, that's for sure. Sorry about that. Jesus. I got too many charts, man. So we broke this. See this pivot right here? We broke that pivot on the upswing, then back right here and hit a 1 minute gold line. I was in that thing, trying to get to here, which obviously, it ran out of freaking gas. I don't know if it's sitting on the 5 minute gold line. It's got space. It rotated from space. It's the top of the box still. I mean, we could be taking a long off the top of the box, the 15 minute box. I just need it to go. Now go. Excuse me. Come on. Now go. All right. Come on. I'm going to move my target once we clear my. I'm going to move my target up to the prior day open if I can get this thing to start moving long. Come on. The problem is, right, the ES is kind of hung up. I'm looking at the ES over here to my left. The ES is kind of hung up. The RTY is going long. I'm kind of, come on, ES, move. There you go. All right. The ES started moving. All right. So I'm going to try to move. Oh, my aching feet. Come on, NQ. What the hell is wrong with you today? All right. Okay, let's go. All right. Now I'm going to move this up to here. Oh, don't do stupid stuff. Oh, we had some news at 10. Am I in a trade on during news? I don't know. It's acting stupid. I'm all right though. I'm defending a winning position, so I'm all right. Come on, NQ, go. Come on, NQ, target. Come on, good job, Jim. Come on. Come on, NQ. Like, what the hell? Is this July? Why aren't you moving? Just fucking piece of shit. I swear to God. Just a piece of shit. Just a piece of shit. Absolute piece of shit. Oh, it'll run up now. It'll run up now. It'll run up now for sure. It'll run up now for sure. It'll run up now for sure. You don't have to worry about that. Everybody's still in the NQ trade. Move your target up 300 points because that's where it'll go now that I'm not in it. Piece of shit. I should have been taking the RTY. The RTY had the best setup of them all. Yeah, the RTY actually played the game. Bing, bing, gone. The RTY actually did what it was supposed to. Not the NQ. Oh, hell no. Bob's in the NQ. Why would we move? Piece of shit. Did you get an RTY, Nadine? Good job. Good job, Nadine. Good job. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, while I'm looking at the NQ, what was giving me motivation that it was going to actually do something was the fact that the RTY was working. Frustrating. Just frustrating. Oil just crossed the box. Isn't that interesting? Oil just crossed the box, went back inside from the top, and went from one end of the box to the other. Of course it did. Of course it did. Of course it did, because I'm not in it. Of course it did. See you later, Jim. See you, Jim. Oh, wait. Yeah. There's too many Jims in this group. There's too many Jims. All right. Oh, okay. I'm gonna potentially try across the box in the NQ. Oh shoot. Let me make sure I got the right settings. See you, May. Good job, Bobby. Holy cow. All right, what are we doing here? Excuse me. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, hold on here. I'm in now. Come on. Oh, God dang it. Unfortunately, I got to give this trade actual room to work. Why is my mouse getting stuck? All right, come on. Sitting on that fucking red line. Come on. Come on. What the hell? Well, that didn't work. Well, we're just sitting here in consolidation for right now. Just looking like a garbage. Excuse me, Jesus. Oh, come on, man. Somebody do something. Somebody move. That could be it, Patriot. That could be it. You might have hit the ball on the hammer on the nail there. It's just this scenario right here in the NQ is just ridiculous. I mean, when it came out, created that space, boom, boom. I mean, granted that went long to the pivot, but I mean, come on, man. That's it? That's all you got? That's all you got? Come on. That's why I said, what is this, July? That looks like this whole scenario right here looks like July, which is why I don't trade in July. It's exactly why I don't trade in July, is this kind of shit right here. How you get the perfect setup and it just doesn't follow through. in gold. Is that what you're talking about? I mean, when you guys make a comment to me, you got to tell me what instrument you're talking about, because I've got, 5 of them, 6 of them really with oil on my charts. $100 points. Do you know what a point is? There's no way ES had a 100-point candle. Not even on FOMC days that have a 100-point candle. Or wait, are you talking about 7 o'clock? You're talking about 7 o'clock this morning? Oh, you're talking about this stuff. Oh, wait, sorry. You're talking about real early this morning. Shit, man, I ain't even out of bed then. I'm not even out of bed then. There's no market to trade then. It's too thin. But yeah, when the market goes from one zone to another, it has a tendency to be tough to trade, if that's what you're implying, Treeman. Why it did it at 7 this morning, I don't know. But yeah, when the market runs from, that's why the 8:30 news sometimes can really screw your day up. If you get that like unemployment data or whatever, and then all of a sudden the whole market just shifts, one direction or another, it can screw up the whole rest of the day because the rotations just aren't there anymore. We could be sitting in something like that, if that's what you're referring to, Treeman, which is a very good observation. Very good observation. Very good observation. I'm going to see if I can find something in GC. We just rolled on top of the prior day low here. Just kind of sitting here. Did he talk at 7? Yeah, I didn't get up that early. An interesting fact for everybody, not that anybody gives a shit, but I had my bladder issue, you guys, know and whatnot. And it kind of scared me a lot. And I've been battling kidney stones a lot. So probably whatever that was, 2 months ago or so or whatever, I just completely stopped drinking tea. I don't drink sweet tea, but I just stopped drinking tea. And my routine would be I drink a couple cups of coffee in the morning, and then tea all night. I drink 1 gallon to 2 gallons of tea a day, all day. And I stopped drinking, and man, you don't really recognize, and I've been doing that for years. You don't even recognize it until you do something like that. Then now all of a sudden, man, I sleep like a baby now. I mean, I go to bed and I sleep. It's like, damn. It's really, really, really like I used to always be out of bed 6 o'clock in the morning. And I struggle getting up at freaking 8. Edwin took all the money and left. The funny thing about the market, folks, is it's not even a zero-sum game, because it would be zero-sum if that's what it was, zero-sum. But it's not zero-sum because you also got exchange fees and commissions. I mean, so it's a less than a zero-sum. It's like playing blackjack in Vegas. You can win some and you can lose some, because the reality of it is the blackjack table, if it's a 3-2 payout table, the blackjack table is usually the best odds in a whole casino. But still, it's not a zero-sum, because the odds still have to be in the favor of the casino. Man, I'd like a big pullback right here and then a run up. That's what I would like in gold. That's what I would like in gold. Give me a big pullback right to the 1-minute gold line. Give me that. Give me that. At least give me that. And let me change. God dang it. Let me change my trick. Oh, shit. All right, I'm in. Fuck it. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on, go. Come on, gold. Do something for me today. Oh, Jesus. It's going to run up. Maybe not. I mean, the NQ went through the prior day open and then rolled up, but I mean, God dang, I can't make any money here. I can't make any money there. It's not worth rolling the dice. I got to have room. It's probably going to roll up now, aren't you? Yeah, because I'm not in it anymore. Come back 2 times and test that top and then roll up. Why don't you do that, you piece of shit? Boy, the ES took off. This is what was holding up. That was what was holding up the NQ, was the ES. And then finally, now it's moving. RTY stuck. YM's trying to move. Just start rolling. Start rolling somewhere. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's go. Come on. Excuse me. Come on, NQ. Pull back. Pull back some more. Pull back some more. Come on. Pull back some more. Pull back some more, NQ. Come on. Pull back some more, please. Yeah, pull back some more. Come on. Come on, right back here. Right back here. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. It's kind of getting a little stretched, but I'd prefer it to come down here and test the top of the prior day open. That's what I would prefer it to do. I would prefer it to pull back further and test the prior day open and then roll up. That's my preference. Ooh, it just might do that. That would be my preference. We just might get that. Okay, okay, okay. All right. All right, I'm going to kill this for right now. So some of you may say, well, why is that, Bob? Well, because if we get lucky, the ES will be there at the same time. See that? So we'll both be at support at the same time, and then we can print some money. Print some money. Print some money. We could print some money. All right. NQ is there. ES has got a little bit more to go. Come on, ES, catch up. Come on, ES, catch up, catch up. Come on. Come on, ES, come on. Come on. Excuse me. Come on, ES, come on, come on. Come on down. There we go. All right, all right, all right. There you go. All right, ES is there. So now let's just see if we can get a simultaneous rotation. That would be nice, because then everybody's happy, 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 going in the same direction after a nice pullback. This scenario is much better than when we were up here trying to go off this. We may be seeking a deeper spot. I'm just I don't know. The ES is looking pretty good right here. I mean, the ES is, yeah, the ES is looking really good right here. God dang it. "29 seconds. Come on. All right. Well, I'm in. I'm in. Come on. I should have grabbed that ES trade. Well, I don't know what I was thinking. Come on, ES, go. Come on, ES, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. No, no, no. Oh, man. What the hell? We going to get a W? Woo. Hold on. I don't know. This is just ugly today. Just ugly. I mean, just freaking ugly. Everything's ugly today. Ouch. Good job, Treeman. Well, now I got to look at a potential short. Jesus. Jesus. Keep. Good idea. Good idea, Alex. Hold on here. Let me look here. So we're about to sit on the prior day close in. Boy, look at that prior day low, inside candle. Woof, that was nice. Jesus, that was nice. You got 2K on that one, Alex. Good for you. That was nice. Very nice, Alex. Yeah, that was nice. Nice inside candle, rotation long. I'm liking the fact that we're sitting on top of the prior day close right now. Stay subtle. Don't run off on me yet. God dang it. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it go through and then back again. If it goes through. All right, go down, go down. No. All right, well, shit. There we are. We're in. We're in. Come on. Now go. I can't afford to squeeze you. Come on, go. Go, gold. Go. Freaking unfortunately, I have a very large candle here I'm defending. I can't afford to defend the candle, so I've got to stay tight. Come on. Oh, you fuck. It's just I can't afford to defend that candle. It's too big. All right, we have an inside candle right here. Inside candle right here. Well, now we're below it. Huh. Double tap. Long. Come on. Come back. Double tap long. Oh my God, Patriot, you're correct. Oh my God, Patriot, you're correct. That is sick. That is sick. That is sick. And I mean, it did it perfectly. It did it perfectly. That is sick. It was a nice, I mean, it even gave an inside candle right here. It even gave an inside candle before the retracement back to the other side. I mean, that's where they're going to go now. They're going to go to here. Might be worth looking for a 1 minute gold line here. Might be worth looking for a 1 minute gold line here. Yeah. Might be worth looking for a 1 minute gold line right here. Look at that. So it went inside the box to the other end, rolled up. Look at the size of this ugly W right here. And then, you know, it's supposed to go back up to there. That's where the objective would be. Might get a red line here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. There you go. Come on. Now do what you should do. Oh my God. Hold on a second. Shit, let me get this out of the way. Gold is on the prior day low. I can't let that go away. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, oil. Keep going. Oil's working too. My oil trade's working. There you go, oil. Keep going, baby. You are my new friend. All right. God dang. The 9 EMA is pissing me off over here. In gold. Come on. Come on. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Oh my God, my oil trade is gone. Woohoo! Woohoo! My oil trade is gone. Shabing. There you go. Right to target. There you go. All right, perfect. Shit. And of course, I lost the same amount of money over here in gold. Oh, my oil trade took off right to the top of the box. Holy shit. Right to that was a beautiful setup. So, hey, thanks for pointing that out, Patriot. That was a beautiful setup. That was a beautiful setup. And look at that. Right to the top of the box and then down. Right to the top of the box. I had to jump over here and grab it because I knew once it hit here, that was it. But I had my target sitting up like right here for just because of my ATM. I forgot to move it. Yeah, whew, that was nice. This freaking thing's probably still going to work. Maybe we'll get a W, get a little further pullback here. Man, that gold, I mean, that oil just ping when it finally rotated, it was gone. Nice big green candle. I like that. Today is just shit. I should have been trading oil all day, man. I can see all the setups in oil were just beautiful today. I just catch one of these rotations in gold and I'll be all right. Maybe a W pattern right here. So we came back down and tested prior day low again. So we had this run down, run up, run back down. Maybe we can get a rotation here off the prior day low. It's not looking like it. It's not looking like it. It is not looking like it. It is not looking like it. Looks like I'm going to have to make my money this afternoon when the market starts doing something. It certainly isn't this morning. By the way, Patriot, if you saw it, you probably did, but oil actually, when it crossed over that mid band, it landed on it as support from there to there. I was too late. When you told me about it, it was like up in here, so I had to wait for the 1 minute gold line setup, which that would have been a perfect place to add contracts. You know what I mean? If you're in that long off the mid band, this pullback should be anticipated anyways. And that's where you would add contracts to the run to the other side. So you could have had, 2-3 contracts on that bust long. All right, let me see. Oh, man. Oh, God. Are you going to go long? Yeah, you are. And I'm sitting here talking. I'm sitting here talking. Damn it. Damn it. Had an inside candle, the W pattern, inside candle, long. And I was too busy talking about oil. I was too busy talking about oil. Damn it. That one was a beautiful one. It had a nice inside candle off the W. Of course, now it's rolling over. I mean, there's I don't know. I think that I don't know. I'm wondering if outside influences are happening right now, like news, war related or something. There's just, of course, the irony is the one that's trading consistently is oil. That's the odd part about all this. The one that's trading consistently is oil. It's not the one being stupid. Yep, it's not the one being stupid. Well, you would have had to have gotten out quick because It didn't stay there long. You would have had to have gotten out quick on that gold trade. That's for damn sure. Quicker than I'm going to get out. Of course, today is whatever. might get a we might get a setup here in ES now. So let me look at the NQ. Maybe they're correlating. So we crossed, broke these pivots to our left off the prior day high. What I'd love to see is a pullback to that prior day high because we've broken the long pivots. So now we are showing the market we want to go long. But I don't know. These candles just keep getting big and shit. I think there's something going on. I think there's something going on. I just can't. I can't put my fingers on it right now. Excuse me, Jesus. See, now the NQ is buried down below the prior day open. At the same time, I'm trying to get the ES to go long. I currently use something different because it ties straight to my ATM. Okay. Off my chart, and it allows me, like if I'm in a trade and I'm like, say I'm having that pullback like I was talking about earlier in oil, you can click a button and this will add another contract that follows the candles, and then you'll be 2 in, 2 in, 3 in. It allows you to continue to add contracts off candle tops, whatnot. Whereas TradeSaver doesn't. TradeSaver is once you're in, you then have to manually trade anything else. Man, that ES. See, I loved this ES setup right here. I said it, beautiful scenario. Except this. Because now the ES has got to drag the NQ through all this resistance. And in today's market, I'm not that confident in that. I still have Sabre in my settings. It's right here. I just started using this one, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. And it doesn't do, like, it ties straight to your ATM from Ninja. So it does whatever you want it to do per instrument, exactly. And then and like I said, you can add more, whatnot, if you want. I would have been very excited if today I could show you exactly what the hell I'm talking about, but we can't get into a trade where the market starts rotating. Instead, it just keeps looking like turds. I mean, this setup was absolutely gorgeous to not be in. This setup right here in the ES was just absolutely gorgeous to not be in. I mean, just gorgeous setup. But I'm, knowing that the NQ is currently stuck, I can't do it. I can't roll my money. I can't put my money into that. All right, I'm going to look. Sit, ES. Sit, boo-boo. Sit for a minute. Sit for a minute, ES. Sit. Sit. God dang, this is just freaking ugly. Patriot, you see that candle that touched the mid band literally two minutes ago? Yeah. Yep. If that's not manipulation, I don't know what is. If that's not manipulation, I don't know what is. All right. Okay. W pattern. I'm taking the W pattern in the ES. Come on. What? Come on, ES. Come on. Let's go. $92. All right, come on. Let's blow through 92. Come on. Blow through 92. Come on. There you go. Now let's go. Blow through 92. Let's go. All right, we're through 92. Excuse me. Now let's go. Now let's go. Now let's go. Come on. I'm going to defend the bottom of that candle. Come on. Oh my God. What is this herky-jerky crap? Come on. Excuse me. Jesus. Come on. What the? Everything else is long except the NQ. Come on. Let's go. Jesus. Man. Absolutely insanely ugly this is. Jesus. You keep going, NQ. Keep going. You keep going, NQ. Don't be a pain. Man. The RTY is still running long. So is the YM. All that's good stuff. I just need this ES to drag the NQ with it. All right, there we go. Come on, there you go. Come on, ES. Right at 10 points right now. Right at 10 points right now. Shit. Okay, so we're getting ready to hit the PriorDay high with the NQ at the same time. So I'm gonna take it. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna take the 10 points. I took the 10 points. Because we hit both at the same time. I'm kind of concerned there. We're going to pull back. Of course not. 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 Why would you do that? You know, because I got the out. That's why you wouldn't do that, would it? Well, that was another 10-pointer, and I probably got more than 10 points in the ES. Yeah, that was a little bit more than 10 points, I think. A little bit more than 10 points. Well, it was a very ugly W. But I defended the bottom of my pivot of my leg. So you had leg 1, then leg 2, and I defended it all the way through this nastiness. Defended the bottom of my candles. It's easier for me to do that in the ES than it is for me to do that in the NQ. You know what I'm saying? It's just easier because it's, the ticks there's less ticks, less money flying around like insanity. You got 15? Good job, lunatic. I don't know how many I got. It's north of 10, but probably like 11 or 12. Probably like 11 or 12 is what I got. Points. Just ugly on, I mean, the pattern was there. It was the pattern. And the reason I waited for the W to actually form is because of this. I said, well, shit, because I was looking at the other two markets. The RTY is long, the YM is long. They're going long. And I'm looking at the NQ and I'm like, okay, it's going to be a battle, which it was, but it's a W pattern. I've got to give it a chance. What made you want to take the gold line trade since NQ was hitting the back? Since NQ was hitting the back side of the PriorDay open. What made you want to take the gold line trade? I didn't take a gold line trade in NQ, did I? What I was trying to take was the rejection. See, we had space here, the long potentially off the PriorDay open because we crossed over, sat on top. I might have been looking for that. Oh man, don't tell me the GC starting to work. Well, shit, I never would have taken that trade, but I mean, congratulations. Well, I guess no, there was $1,000 room back to the PriorDay low. Yeah, there was $1,000 room there. Okay. I get yeah, there's $1,000 there. Okay, I get that. Jesus. I am absolutely struggling today. Maybe it's the pollen. I mean, we had an 86-degree temperature day yesterday, the first one of the year that we clipped the 80s. And I mean, maybe the pollen is out thick as thieves today because I am having a struggling time. Shit. Hold on here. So we kind of got a situation here where we're sitting on top of the PriorDay high in the NQ. Shit, it's going to run off without me. It looks like maybe not, maybe not. Yep, it is. I was kind of late on that. I'm not fully confident in it myself. Pattern wise, it's there, but the market just has no follow through. I feel like I want to take my trades closer to our moving averages because we're not following through. Price is not running away from the moving averages. I'm not sure if I'm making sense, but I've said this before. So let me just kind of clarify what I'm saying. The farther away we get from this red line, okay, the more energy the market needs if you take a long to go to your target. The farther away from this red line, okay? And so if there's just not much then it's hard for the market to go ding, ding, and then run right up here and get you your money. It's just hard to do that. That's exactly why I hate trading in January. I mean, not January, in July. Because July is honestly, July trade, you probably just need to put the red line on your chart, and that's the only thing you trade. It's the damn red line, because that's where you're going to get the most expansion away from a moving average in the month of July is the red line. The rest, you're just going to be, unless you want to scalp or something, it isn't worth it. And then scalping is no fun because, one loss, how many wins do you need to make a loss? Blah, blah, blah. And by the way, Kevin, that's exactly what I'm afraid of right now. That's why I'm thinking this afternoon when kind of, when things tend to settle a little bit about what's going on and the market actually starts doing its thing, that's probably where I'm going to end up having to make my money today, is in the afternoon. I tell you, the afternoon trades lately have been fire. I mean, they have been fire. Yeah, the afternoon trades have been fire lately. Let's go to Friday afternoon. Was it gold or NQ? Well, here's gold. We crossed over, boom, boom, down. I think it was NQ, though, on Friday, where all the money was happening. Shit. Hold on here. Yep. Crossover, boom, bam. Gold line, bam. 1 minute gold line, bam. It's like there's a pattern there. The first one's the red line. The red line throws it down. Second is the 5 minute gold line, boom. Third is the 1 minute gold line, boom. I mean, there was some big trades Friday afternoon in the NQ. And then going into the close, you see this? Going into the close, I think it was on NQ, Jim made like $5,000 just rolling one contract. After it blew through here, he got in and he just let it roll. I was too busy doing other things on Friday afternoon. On Friday afternoon, I was too busy doing other things. But here's an example of what I'm talking about. So see, it went up, but there's no follow through. And if there's going to be no follow through because the market has no volume or energy behind it, then you're just donating to the cause. You're the other half of the 50-50. You're the half giving the government, giving the traders money. It's not even the sharks that are taking the money, because the sharks aren't in the tank. The sharks aren't even in the tank. If the sharks were in the tank, we'd have a lot more deliberate moves than we have. The sharks aren't even in the tank. Probably because of inconsistencies in news right now from the war. Now, we did have some Fed people talking this morning. That's never a good sign. That is never, ever. I'm telling you, anytime those clowns are talking, I just can't make money. And again, it's because the sharks leave the trading environment. They don't want to be around. They want, when the market has no external noise, the only noise is them moving it. That's when the sharks want to be around, when they're the ones moving it, not somebody coming on and saying, oh, we just bombed Israel or whatever, Jesus. Fig Nugan. Man, I want to take that long. I want to take that long in NQ. I really do. I want to take this long in NQ. I really do. Maybe we'll get a W here. I really wanted to take that long in NQ. Let's see if I get an inside candle. Nope. It's back down through the bottom. All right. Jesus. Good luck, Edwin. And congrats. You had a good day today, I think. At least you said you did. ES? Was it ES today again, Edwin? Was it the ES? ES made me money today. Once again, if I'm struggling to find a place to make money, go over to the ES. Yes, ES. Oh, you got some gold in NQ also? All right. There is just no follow through on any of this stuff. I mean, this all the crisscross of the candles, all this crisscross right here just shows you there's nothing there. All these crisscrosses, that's not a good sign. Man, oil's down to $86 a barrel. That's good news. That is good news there. Man, I don't know what I'm going to do today. I do know one thing I'm going to do. I'm going to look at the markets this afternoon and see if they start moving around. But today is just not that day. God, gold is just falling off the face of the earth now. Might test the top of the box. Let me get the ES out of the way. Let me blow this thing back up. Be a good sign if gold would start moving, getting out of all this stuff right here. If gold would start moving, that'd be a good sign. I hope it drops to 50, Patriot. I it drops to 50. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Tom. Yeah, Jesus, thank you. Thank you. Good observation. So you won't see me throwing stuff. See me throwing stuff when I get in and go, what the hell happened? It's worse when I'm trading the NQ with the GC strategy. That's where the problem really comes in. It's not when I have the NQ strategy with the GC. It's the other way around. That's when it's worse, because then my stuff is my stuff is way too tight for the NQ. Yeah, if I wasn't running this live stream thing, Tom, I wouldn't even have that scenario like that, because that's not helpful to me at all. Fucking A. Look at that. 5-minute red line and NQ worked like a charm. Jesus. Look at that. Straight off the donkey and smooth pullback. I mean, I wouldn't have been taking it because of this damn thing being in the way. But it does look nice. So nothing gold? Come on, man. Nothing. I mean, GC just didn't do anything. Didn't do anything. Wow. All right, hold on here. All right, hold on here. I'm going to see leg up, leg. I'm going to see if I get a W pattern in the NQ. That is what I'm going to look for right now. Potential. Long. I'd like it to sit right on top of the PriorDay open. Yeah, that'd be good. All right, that's a good start. That's a good start. If you go do a red line again, too, that'd be fine, too. All right. Oh, change my strategy again. Jesus, mother of God. Yeah, I'm looking at that, Rick. That's what I'm looking at. Exactly what I'm looking at, my friend. Exactly what I'm looking at. Shit. Oh, my aching feet. Oh. All right, so let me shrink this up, drag over the ES, kind of look at what's going on here. Mr. Consistent, he's at the red line, and he's at the PriorDay high. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. God dang. I freaking forgot to hit the button. Come on. We know there's going to be resistance right here. Well, that's story. Oh, there we are. All right, we're in. All right, come on, go. Let's get another 10-pointer. Come on. Another 10-pointer. Come on, ES. Be my friend. Be my friend. Be my friend, ES. Be my friend. Come on. Be my friend. I need a new friend here. I'm going to defend the bottom there. Come on, ES. Come on. God damn it. Need you to go. Need you to go. Need you to go. Need you to go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, ES. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're the big dog here. You're the bully. Let's move. Move like you own the market. Let's go. Move. Oh, shit. Come on. Come on. Pop the top of that NQ over here. Come on. Pop the top of that NQ long. Come on. Come on. That's what we need. No. No. Fuck, that NQ roll. Oh, shit. That NQ rolled over. Yep. Yep. Jesus. Unbelievable. I mean, ES is battling, and it's not going to win the battle. It's battling to hold the prior day high. I mean, it's it's definitely battling. The NQ's not helping. Nope. All right. Well, they haven't gotten anything to reach for over here. There's nothing to reach for over here, except way down there. And the NQ is just running south. Maybe, did we get a rejection at the prior day open? Maybe. Big candle there, though. Jesus. Big candle there. I'm not chasing that. Oh yeah, oil is at the red line, isn't it? Jesus, that big. Look at that big candle right there for the ES. Jesus. Time to bake brownies. I should have been baking brownies today. I should have been baking brownies today. I wouldn't have lost money. Right now I'm in the negative. Right now I'm in the negative. Right now I'm in the negative. Not looking good for me today. Jesus, what the hell? Come on by, yeah. Well, that is true, Treeman, but it yeah. A lot of political news, not a bullshit going on. Not really helping. I mean, it's none of these. We had some nice setups this morning. I had some beautiful NQ trades, right? I just couldn't get any follow through. Each one of them was, potential $1,000 plus trade, and it just did not fucking move. I was having flashbacks that we were trading in July. That's what it felt like to me this morning. Jesus. All right, I'm going to move this out of the way for a reason. The reason is right here. I am going to see if I can get a potential prior day open long here. I mean, we blew right through the prior day high in the RTY. I mean, you're right through it. So I'd like to go down through the prior day open and then up to here so they can test the bottom of the prior day high. But I need it to go down a little more. There we go. Now it's down a little more. Oh, shit. Once again, I'm in late. I'm late. Come back down. All right. Now it's no. Down here. God damn it. No, down here. God damn it. I don't want to be in too damn early or too damn late. Should have been in right here. I pushed the button too late. It's my own fault. It'll probably run all the way to the top now. Give me a W. Give me a W. That'd make me happier. Give me a W. Give me a W. Pull back. Pull back a little bit. Oh, crap. I need you to pull back. Why aren't you going to pull back first? Oh, this sucker is going to run all the way to the other end because I missed the entry. You just watch. Gold is just falling off of a cliff. Look at that. Gold just fell right off of a cliff. I told you. It's going to go all the way to here because I'm not in it because I missed the freaking entry. You can guarantee that. You can guarantee it. Just give me a W so I can get in. Now you've had the pull up. Now let's do the pull back and let's go. Come on. Give me the W. Come on, RTY. Give me the W, damn it. You're going to run all the way up. You're just going to do it without me because you just don't like me. All right. Come on. Yeah, come back down. Come back down. Come on, please. Come back down and give me one setup, and then I'll go for the day. Well, till this afternoon. Come on. Jesus. Yep, there it goes. Yep. All right, I'm going to shut it down. I'm going to take my loss, my small loss, and hopefully get it back later. That's my loss. It's a pretty good size loss, really, but I mean, it's one decent NQ trade later or gold trade. It's all back. Either one, any of those NQ trades I had earlier today that I was in, if they'd have just rotated, I wouldn't be down. Anyways, it's not a big deal so far. I mean, I've had a very good month. So this could be my first losing day in a month. So we'll see. Everybody have a good day. I will talk to you later. Bye.